Alright guys, so we're back here in Menards again. That's what I'm getting today. This is what I use for my corner beans. And we're about to go get some staples. Then we're gonna go that way. And grab one of these. I think that's it from here, yeah. Alright. Yeah? Yeah. Alright guys, so this is how I do my corner beans. You guys can do it whatever way you want it, but this is how I do it. And I do this because houses here in Rochester, Minnesota, where in Minnesota they tend to ship. And if you guys use the paper face ones and you guys don't use the right material, like some people that have been doing the jobs, your corner is gonna come off. So this one's not coming off. Not coming off. Alright guys, this is how we cook the corner bean. And this side as well, it goes smooth. This is what I think some tapers do on Facebook and on TikTok and on YouTube. To cut the line out here, they'll use the same knife. Don't do it. Use your 5 or use your 6 to do it. If you keep cutting with your knife like this, you're gonna make it uneven and you're gonna screw your knife up. Don't do that. Use this one. Doesn't take that long. Then your knife gets all wobbly if you start cutting like that. Nothing to it. There we go. Same thing over here. I don't apply too much pressure. Just put it here in this angle right here and just swipe it up. Swipe or not swipe it. Oh man.
What are you doing?
Teaching my guy how to walk on the stills is just like swimming. You have to go around the wall. There you go. He's learning quick though. There we go. COC Drywall teaches how to walk on stills. Don't try this at home. He's doing good. He's grabbing onto the wall. As long as he's got a wall next to him, that's how you learn. That's how I learn. So he's on his way to be a super taper.